Again, starting from where we left out. Name of the commission which was appointed by British government to probe the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It was the Hunter Commission. Jallianwala Bagh massacre is the saddest tape in India pre-independence era of India. There were many, but it was one of the worst days when innocent peoples who were assembled in Jallianwala Bagh were martyred by a psychopath, a colonel, a British Army officer. There was none. There was not even a provocation from the mass gathered over there. They were killed. Gates were closed. They were killed. Some of them died due to stampede. Some of them died due to blood injuries. Some of them died as they were trying to save themselves. They jumped into wells. So a commission, just an eyewash, a commission was formed to look into that. Who was first to describe the mutiny of 1857 as the first war of independence? Vinayak Samodar Savarkar. A lot of controversy going about him. Still, I would like to describe what I know that. There were two versions given to that particular moment, which we earlier described as the first independence. Pro-British, pro-England people, historian people, they labeled it as mutiny. Mutiny means when a soldier revolts against his superior. So they limited it just as a mutiny. Mutiny happens due to some personal reasons or something. For example, if someone is not being allowed to go home, or some pay issues or something else, here we can say that it was a mutiny. It was against British, way of their way of treating Indian soldiers, and there were some rumors that they have that the new bullets that they have brought in used to have grease, which consists of the ingredients of that grease were fat of cow and pig, and that is forbidden for both Hindus and Muslims. So they revolted. But if you look at the larger picture, it was the revolt that sparks the independence. It was that the moment that sparks the independence movement of India. It is because of that we people fought for it, and after 90 years and so we got independence. So in my sense, it was not mutiny, it was first war of Indian independence. Who was elected as the first president of All India Khilafat Congress in Delhi in 1990? It was Mahatma Gandhi. So look, I am sharing some, these are, you can pause the video and look at them. So today I am just going to summarize these because you know that I cannot upload the video more than 50 or 60 MB. So who gave the slogan "Give me blood and I promise you freedom"? It was Subhash Chandra Bose, the forgotten hero of our Indian independence.